Spider-Man up on your TV.
It's your boy Nice, aka Top Son Nestor.
MC Shakara na the building. Me name is Shakara.
My name is OJB Jezreel. Funny storyteller.
Me no fly, me no laba laba.
Jara stop fried rice. Celestia.
When you're watching
Ital Sounds.
So Ital Sounds.
Keep it locked down.
Well, remember that night when we catch you sending those texts.
Right, but no nice and decent people. The truth of the matter is, a whole lot of people are saying on Facebook, are giving me different reactions on Facebook. I put up a picture on Facebook. I said, guess who we will be talking to. You understand? Guess who we will be talking to. And a whole lot of people have been responding. And just in case you're wondering, Wagwan, yo, you're on Ital Sound and Rhythm FM Network still, yeah? I'm sure I know by now, yeah? All right, people, 9:24 in my time. Don't get it twisted. 10 o'clock, we're going straight to Jamaica. We'll be talking to the mystery guests. Nice and decent people. We'll be having a mystery caller, a mystery guest, straight out to Jamaica. And Ziggy is live online. And the mystery guest, nice and decent people, is none other than... Oh, let him introduce himself, yeah? Let's do it that way. Hello, Ninja Man.
Yeah, man, the original front seat, gold seat, gun front seat, so seat, the two thing every early Sunday morning, and dog and dog.
Yeah. All right. I told the people that we'll be having a guest out to Jamaica, and I refuse to tell them the name. And a lot of people, I put up your picture on Facebook, and a lot of people were saying all kind of things. Right, but no nice and decent people. It gives me great joy and pleasure to link you guys to Ninja Man, one of the veterans of dancehall music in Jamaica and in the world. All right. Now, Ninja Man, what is the best way? What is the best way you can introduce? Because when we talked earlier on, you said you had dancehall artists you want to boss and all them thing. But let us talk about you first and foremost, talk with you, reason with you, and then we'll get to the artists. Now, off the scene, who is Ninja Man? And away from a performance, away from the movies, who is Ninja Man? Who is Desmond John? You understand what I'm saying to you? People would like to know who is Desmond John.
Well, the dead man.
Yeah.
He's a person like this. It's someone who just live life and enjoy life and live in a love and unity and just a one God, one name, one destiny. Ninja Man is not a person who crave for the world and I run down the world and I run down what they find life. We just live and just get experience of the world and do us just know that life is what we make it. Ninja Man is not a man where some people say me a bad man and some people say this, some people say that.
How did this clash thing start for you? How did it all start?
Well, when we come to the music business, music was competitive enough. And it was where we have sound clash and artists compete against sound and artists step on the sound and artists step on the sound. When I start work Kilimanjaro,
okay.
And early leave Kilimanjaro about 150 wire dance. But every one of them dance their sound will clash with other DJs and other bands clash me. You understand? I have to kill off the whole of them DJ the lyrically and kill off the whole of them sound the lyrically to gain my title. And when me kill off the whole of them DJ, then me take it from out of the dance hall and bring it on the stage. So you want to know. Only one song in our dead. Anyone who come on stage, two who come on the stage beside me, one are dead and one of me.
All right. Okay, so Ninja Man, what would be your advice? Because dancehall music is beginning to evolve here in Nigeria and indeed Africa. And a whole lot of dancehall artists are beginning to catch on the vibes and begin to understand what Clash is all about. And they're not trying to work on their lyrics and all them things. So as a Clash king yourself, what would be your advice to up and coming dancehall artists here in Nigeria, here in Africa, here in Mamaland, hoping to do proper and cream dancehall music?
You are my advice to them.
Mm-mm.
From a Jamaica, my studio, when I teach dancehall artists and create dancehall art, from my studio just open and I'm inside the studio now doing this interview with some young artists them around me when I build become a right up dancer. Come to the Ninja Man school where you get all the teachment, all the education, how to be a clash artist. Because most of the people them who go in our clash, they only have lyrics, but it don't make no sense. You have to have lyrics with punchline, lyrics with verse, lyrics with chorus, lyrics with pattern, style. Lyrics, so when you talk, it's something like that bullet a little man same time. You have to have appearance, performance, and lyrics. You understand? So there's a lot you learn to go in a competition because the appearance, you can be a bad teacher and go there and the way you look to people and want the other. There's a lot you have to learn. You understand? But it's not an easy road to just get up and tell a man, yeah, you can do this and you do that. I'm in this business and I hold the title for more than 27 years. You understand me? I'm Sting Creation and I walk inside there with one last inside there and until I tell them a career and kill back the man 3 times the next year to show him say you never kill me, I'm better than you. So me maintain this career. It takes a lot of the people them for so much here. You have to do a network of work where people respect you and prepare for you and your war. That's sometimes you go to war, the people then prepare for the war because you put yourself in that frame of mind and put yourself in that category and that class that people have to come up because they say when this war is going, it's not gonna be a easy thing. Lyrical confrontation will be singing like a rock stone and gunshot. You understand?
Now, Ninja Man, we quite understand some of the reasons behind you not wanting to clash Gollibop because, hey, Gollibop used to be a countryman and all of a sudden, because of one recording, the thing went viral on the internet and boom, yeah, Mr. Lane just put him on Sting and Ray and Adamton. Now, we would like the Nigerians would like to know, listeners and Ital Sounds would like to know and hear from your mouth why you refuse to clash Gollibop.
Well, all right, I can tell you. Sometimes I'm down in the hole and down in the pit. And the Almighty bless him and lift him out of the dust and put him in a limelight and give him an again life. And just because you have power, you know, you can tear him down. And he just call your name to tear him down. You know that's a sin. It's not only to shoot a man and kill him, it's sin. But to clash Gollibop and write a film career, make him never get to go up on them plane away my take nowadays. It will be the biggest thing Ninja Man have done. If I listen to Gollibop interview when him say, how him lie down on him bed and night and when he hear the plane apart, him come out and him look and him wish if him get to fly from one of them plane there. You ever listen to Gollibop interview and hear him say, in 2015, him just started with Roland. Him just started with Kate Talk. Jesus Christ, why should I kill a man like that? Every DJ when we kill them have a career, them fly on a plane, them run dance and them run the show before me kill them. I kill a man when a man bought half an internet. If there was no phone, there would be no Gollibop. Alright. I want Gollibop to reach somewhere in life, own a nice car, own a nice house, and live a nice life. But let him buy a nice car, buy a nice house, and have money in an account and call me name. He's dead like yesterday. But in the time they put it on, and no Gucci, and not to put it on. This is something make your body full of fun, and make the people want to rest a class farm, and that's a one in the time they put it on. And no class and no Louis Vuitton. Our nice and decent people, that was Ziggy. We had a successful interview with the Don Gorgon himself out of Jamaica. We'll play some tunes right about now, and then I go straight to name the Ital tune, and I'll run into
We call it The Clash.
Ital Sounds.
Keep watching Ital Sounds.
We say so.